Hi there, Love Mulanjaya here. Welcome to Python Tips and Tricks, episode 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a string into a list. All right. We begin by creating a string variable called text. And so that's our string there. We print it out. Okay, let's run our program. So that's our string there. And now to create a list. We'll call this name list. Equals text dot split and then we put the separator in there. So this is a comma separated list of names. So we put a comma there as our separator. Let's print out our new list. Let's run it. Okay, that's our list there. You'll notice that there's a space before each name. And the reason for this is that there's a space after each comma. And we didn't include that space here. So if we do this, run it again, that space is gone. That's how we convert a string to a list. We can also use space as a separator. For instance, let's remove these commas here. And this comma changes to space. So we run our program. Let's see there. The separation has happened. So what we did, we simply split our string to create a list. If you found this video to be helpful, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and of course don't forget to click on the notification bell in order to receive notifications each time I post a new video. See you next time.